10 Best Minibar Cutting Boards in 2020, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Minibar cutting boards can now be used as a charcuterie cheese board or a margarita tequila serving board, including as a cutting board. Let's take a look at the best minibar cutting boards in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. If you want innovative design, Totally Bamboo Surfboard Cutting Board is the best one. Large wood cutting board with handle is the most useful one. Nunchi Home Bamboo Cutting Board with trays is the best emerging new product. Let's check the top 10 options. Totally Bamboo Surfboard Cutting Board is at number 10. This minibar cutting board is the best to use in tiki bars and beach-themed parties. At number 9, Wood Cutting Board Large Maple with handles and juice groove. This minibar cutting board is reversible, has inner grips and a groove around to collect the juices from fruits. We have wood chopping boards, organic Acacia, medium at number 8. This minibar cutting board can be used as a serving tray or plate for rustic setting parties. Large wood cutting board with handle gets the 7th position. This minibar cutting board comes with a cheese knife, sharpener, and brush for a complete set of useful bar tools. At number 6, Reversible Wood Cutting Board, Organic Acacia, Large. This reversible cutting board is versatile. The other side has a recessed compartment for serving your crackers, chips and sliced French bread. Utopia Bamboo Cutting Board is at number 5. This minibar cutting board is made with thick bamboo, comes within 3 different sizes. At number 4, Farberware Bamboo Cutting Board. This minibar cutting board set of 3, is expertly bonded together with food-safe adhesives and can withstand heavy use. Freshware Cutting Board, Bamboo gets the 3rd position. These cutting boards are designed to withstand everyday cutting and are guaranteed to be tough enough from cracks and breakage. We have Greener Chef Small Cutting Board for Kitchen at number 2. This minibar cutting board is large enough for a few lemons on the board. Organic Bamboo Cutting Board with Juice Groove is at number 1. This 3 different sized boards can be used for citrus and fruits, spicy ingredients, especially when making the Bloody Mary, and as a charcuterie or cheese board. You can buy any of these minibar cutting boards by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.